Hello everybody, Merry Christmas and welcome from my home to your home. This evening I'm going to make my light Christmas punch. It's a low calorie, non-alcohol variation that's perfect for all members of the family at Christmas time and actually any time of the year. And what's great about this punch is it doesn't have the sugar and the calories of a traditional punch. And at holidays when there's lots of other goodies around, it's good that you limit your sweetened beverages so that you don't go over the top. So this recipe is fast and easy, so let's do it. And the first step is to pour 2 cups of the low calorie cranberry cocktail into a jar. But before we do that, to make sure that you have the right cranberry product, because there's lots of different cranberry juices on the supermarket shelves, let's take a look at the label. On the front it says low calorie cranberry cocktail, and on the side, on the nutrition facts label, it says that for 1 cup there are 40 calories and 10 grams of carbohydrate. This low calorie brand is about 1/3 less calories and carbs than regular cranberry cocktail. Okay, so I've got the 2 cups of cranberry cocktail that I've poured into a jar. I'm going to add 3 sticks of cinnamon, seal it up, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour so that the cinnamon flavor infuses into the cranberry juice. Okay, I've taken the cranberry cocktail infused with the cinnamon out of the fridge, and now I'm just going to pour it into a glass jug, and we're going to add 2 cans of diet ginger ale, and you can use of course diet Sprite or diet 7-Up, whichever is your favorite. And then we're going to add the raspberries is the last step, and I'm using fresh raspberries, 1/2 cup, but you can use frozen as well. They're just as good. Just give it 1 or 2 minutes for the raspberries to unthaw if you're using the frozen raspberries. Once we get the ice in, we are ready to serve it. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to pour a glassful here. That looks great. So cheers, and again, Merry Christmas to you and your family. Wishing you the best of the holiday season.